Just a quick episode to close out the week. We actually had a pretty good day today. So we look at, the fact we dropped 4,000 today. I'm not really too worried about that. Basically, it came down to mainly one thing is AHT. If we look over here, let's get down to the bottom here. Went down 10%. We have a pretty good holding in that. So that's mainly the reason it went down. I mean, overall, there's more red than green. So that was kind of the rest of it that we have there. But overall, it's a mix of red and green, so not too bad. One of the things that we had a couple buys that we had over the last day or two. Today we had Cinemark come in for a buy at, let's see, yeah, Cinemark came in today. What else did we do? Was it golden? Hold on a second here. I might have had a buy that I didn't list here. Let's take a look. All right, no, golden came in a couple days ago. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so Cinemark came in at 15.75. So we'll take a look at Cinemark here real quick, and we had a limit buy. Started off at about 16.29, so we had that limit buy at 15.75. It got down to about 15.73, went up and down. So basically sitting right where we bought it from. I mean, literally exactly where we bought it from. So that was kind of cool. Wasn't a big buy, only about $1,500, but it enabled us to add to our portfolio. Last couple days, PBF went down. Actually, that went down a little farther than we thought it would. It went down to 9, but we bought it at 10.25. So PBF, we have about 6,000 that we bought it for. It's a little bit above water, so that's kind of cool. We're at right now. If we want to sell it, we can sell it, but I think oil prices are going to do good. Cinemark, we have about 8,000 that we bought. It's still down 23%, but it was like 28%, so we lowered that down. So we should see that gains, something back in the coming days. And then Clean Energy, this is one of the meme stocks. We bought at 775, bought about $2,000 on that. And so we're up at about 6,400. That one's down 22%. So we bought some things low, and then when the market comes back, this enables us to really leverage what we want to leverage. And then we had one sale come in, Golden Entertainment. That was the one I was thinking of. That one came in. We'll take a look at that one real quick. All right, Golden Entertainment, 45.36. We ended up selling it at 45. I have a split order here. We have 100 shares. 50 would sell at 45. 50 would sell at 47. Currently, we own it at, $17 a share. So it's going to be a nice gain either way. I really wanted to do this just because we have leveraged casinos in other areas, and I just figured this, we don't have a big ownership stake on that. So let's take a little bit of profit, free up some money, and buy some other things. So this was a nice little buy we had today. So overall, the remaining ones that we have for buying AINC, if it gets down to $17, we're going to buy it. Only has 44 cents to go. DraftKings, again, so ANC, we have about $5,000 invested there. DraftKings, we only have $13.50 that we bought. So willing to put a decent order in at 4,600 to get that one up a little bit. It won't raise our cost basis, but that's fine. I really think the stock is going to really be nice in the fall when sports gambling gets started with football. And then we have a bunch of other purchases or sales. Azul Airlines, mainly because it's not a U.S. stock, so we kind of want to just make everything U.S. at this point. 13% to go. Skills, I don't think this is going to sell anytime quick, but put that at 22.10 just in case it goes up and turns in the black. We'll sell that off as well. Yuko, we have, let's take a look at Yuko. Yuko, we have 200 shares, so I just figured at this point we'll sell 100 once it gets back up to 77. We only have 1% to go, so that's probably going to sell quickly. Doge, we already had IVR and ANC that you see there as well. So with that being said, we're taking advantage of a little bit of the low week that we had earlier, buying up some stocks just to kind of beef up some of our positions. And then when the market starts rebounding, we'll be in a really good spot. So one last thing, totally unrelated. I grew up as a Cleveland Indians fan, and they just came out with their new name, Guardians, which is really stupid. This is the dumbest logo. I mean, I guarantee any of you, if you go to do a free logo program, you could do a better logo than this one. This one's pretty pathetic. And just so you know the background on this, so Where is this? This is literally right by my high school. I grew up in Cleveland, and I used to literally drive past this bridge, drive on this bridge every single day, from the right to the left. And they have these things here, they call them the guardians of traffic, which I didn't even know that was there. Well, I guess I heard that when I was a kid, but I probably haven't heard that in more years than I can count. And they literally named it that because right to the right of this arena is the baseball stadium. So really dumb name. I was joking with people today that you take off GURAR and it's basically they have the Indians logo. So kind of dumb. I don't know if I'm still their fan. It's a dumb logo. So anyway, that's where I'm at. See you guys next week. To get more information on the sales cheat code, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. Also, down below in the video description, down there, there's a link that takes you to our website that gives you additional content, some additional freebies that we have, and gives you information on some programs that we have that have been proven to help people to make sales easy so that you can make the kind of money you want, live the lifestyle that you've always wanted, and not have to struggle in the process. And what might be the coolest thing of all is you don't have to put much effort into it. It truly is a cheat code that most people don't know about. And it's a cheat code that can change your life today. So click on the link below and let me help you start to experience these results starting right now.